Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to play with your friends in Special Forces Group 2, step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, open Special Forces Group 2 on your device. Once the game launches, tap on the multiplayer option and type your name. After that, select the LAN with router option. Now, tap on Create Game. Here, you can choose any map and mode you want to play on with your friends. Once you've selected, start the game and select Team. This will create a local multiplayer lobby that your friends can join. Before moving on, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your phones are not connected to the same Wi-Fi, the hosted game will not appear for your friends. Next, ask your friend to open game on their device. They also need to go into multiplayer and select LAN with router. After that, they need to tap on the Find Game button to search for available games on the network. Once your hosted game appears on their screen, they simply need to tap on Join Game to enter the match. After joining successfully, you and your friends can now play together, complete missions, and enjoy the multiplayer gameplay. And that's basically how you can play Special Forces Group 2 with your friends. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Clickfix Tech for more gaming and tech tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.